First click on Manage button, then click on Edit Site button. To add Popup, navigate to Pages option. Then click on Add New Page option. Now select Popup section and add Popup. To customize Popup, click on Edit button. Here you can edit your title and subtitle. To change media, click on Image option and upload your image. Then click on Update button. To set Autoplay Popup feature, click on Setting icon now. Click on Popup setting. Now turn it on. Select page where you want to show your Popup and set delay time to show your Popup after some seconds. Then save the settings and preview it. Now, if you want only a form Popup, then go to Popup Edit option and hide image. Also, you can hide title or subtitle. Similarly, you can set only image Popup. You can change form from list of forms available, or you can customize this form by clicking on Manage Form. And here, you can add or remove your desired files. Then click on Save Forms. To change appearance of Popup, click on Setting icon here. You can change size or position of image, then save it.